Well, you can see there's some pretty big chunks of wood and rock and every other stuff in there. Before that building was built, I scraped out a bunch of this wonderful topsoil that's around here and I put it in this big pile. All the ground around me was scrub brush, and when they cleared the place for me, they just busted up all the roots and little sticks and everything. I can't really just put this on the ground to fill holes, and there's quite a few. So what I intend to do is build a filter and or a comb. I don't know what it's called. It's probably a proper name for it. When I was a little kid, there was a gravel pit next to the house, and they ran all the rock that they mined out to this filter, this comb thing. Big chunks rolled off to the side, and the smaller stuff filtered out into a truck. I'm going to build something like that now, so that I can just use my little tractor and take up a scoop of dirt, and hopefully, if I build it right, most of the sticks and stones will be filtered out. On the trailer here is some 1/2-inch rebar, 20-foot lengths. I'll cut them into 5-foot pieces, and there's enough here that I can make 72 combs, teeth, I don't know. And what I'll do then is I'll use this timber here that has been salvaged, and I'll try to make the frame. It's very light duty. This is not going to be for big industrial use, but I think it should be strong enough. Spacing I had before, 1 inch was too big, then I started using 3/4 inch, and that was too big. So these are about 5/8. I think this will be about right. Bark, and it's really heavy, honey, so I'll use this as a wheel. I'll get these pieces of timber out and I'll roll it, then reposition this back and then roll it again, and then keep doing that until it's in the right position. That's good. That's what I need. Thank you.
Welcome.
How do I get it on there? Need two strong human beings.
Some coffee.